Hello, I'm Lilin. Ang first part ng tour namin was spent in visiting Grand Palace and watching the traditional Thai mask performance. Then, we also visited Wat Po. From Wat Po, pumunta kami sa Ratanakosin Exhibition Hall. We were too late. It was already closed. So, pumunta na lang kami sa Paklong Flower Market. And what you are seeing now is the Paklong Flower Market in Bangkok, Thailand. Wow, you know, I was really in awe, as in awe. There are two big markets on both sides of the road. Yung pinasukan namin, yung isang side lang. And, napaka-amazing because you know what? They sell flowers as if they are selling food or fish or seashells. Flowers come in bundle or bulk, or meron ding tingi-tingi, or some are already prepared like necklaces or bouquets. Bakit ko ba nasabing they sell flower like fish? Kasi sa atin, di ba, sa Pilipinas, kinikilo, meron ding silang may nagbibinta din na per kilo, nagbibinta din sila na nasa supot na, nasa plastic na, nagbibinta din sila ng nagawa na into, sinabi ko kanina, parang necklaces. Itong flower market na ito is very big talaga. But everything in there they are selling are all flowers. Pag pumunta ka pa doon sa kabila ng road, isa pang malaking market din, all are flowers. Ito mga maliliit na flowers na sa loob ng tray. Minsan may mga ice pa dyan sa loob. Tapos ito small part lang yung nagtitinda ng food. Grabe talaga ang love ng mga Thai sa flowers. And from the flower market, pumunta kami ng sister ko sa isang department store. Ito naman kami nag-ikot para makabili ng pagkain. Ang daming for sale dito ng mga traditional Thai kakanin. Kaya bumili kami ng mga kakanin. Pagkatapos dito na rin kami nag-dinner. And then, umikot-ikot kami sa mall. From the mall, umuwi na kami dahil sobrang puyat. The next morning na ito.
Lilin Joe. Go, go. Go, go, go. Sa kilid ka lang.
Walang tao sa pool, kami lang ng kapatid ko. Kaya ayan, nagpicture-picture kami pagkatapos pumunta na kami sa breakfast. We ate at the breakfast buffet of the hotel where we stayed. The best part about Thai food is they have vegetarian food. Even at the hotel, they serve vegetarian food in the buffet. So, we love it. Pagkatapos ng breakfast, more picture takings pa din kami ng kapatid ko. This is the stairs from the lobby. Paakyat ito, but our room is not in there. So, umakyat-akyat lang kami for picture taking. Our room actually is on the other side. Ang makita naman ninyo ay mga extra tables and chairs on the lobby. Ito naman yung lobby ng hotel. Sinulit talaga namin yung experience in Thailand. Bumili kami ng iba't ibang fruits. Varied. May lansones, mangosteen, mango, at iba pa. Kasi mahal yan pagbalik ng Korea. And ito pa ang isa pa napaka-interesting sa Thailand na nakita ko. Ayan ay, ang daming mga squirrels and ang daming mga sampalok trees, tamarind. Kahit saan, the streets are lined with sampalok trees, and everywhere you can see a lot of them. This is our last look of Thailand before going back to Korea. Pumunta kami dito sa National Museum but unfortunately it was too early yet so it is not yet opened. Kaya we just walk around for morning exercise and to see some interesting places around. Ang ganda talaga ng mga buildings nila all around. Parang makikita mo parang pang-royal, parang pang-queens and kings. But guys, I am only talking about Bangkok. Ito lang yung sa palibot sa may nearby Grand Palace. And thank you for watching.